What is Brazilian sugar waxing? Brazilian sugar waxing involves using a sugar-based wax that is applied to the skin and removed to eliminate unwanted hair, especially in sensitive areas like the bikini line. It's a natural, less harsh alternative to traditional waxing. Benefits of sugar waxing over regular waxing. Sugar wax is more natural, containing ingredients like sugar, lemon, and water. It's also easier to clean up compared to traditional wax, which typically requires a special remover. Pre-waxing preparation. Clean the area. Before waxing, it's crucial to clean the skin to remove dirt, oils, or lotions. This ensures the sugar wax adheres properly, providing a smoother, longer-lasting result. Trim hair to the right length. Hair should be about 1/4 inch long for optimal results. If it's too short, the wax won't grab it. If it's too long, it could cause unnecessary discomfort during removal. Exfoliate to prevent ingrown hairs. Exfoliating gently before waxing helps remove dead skin cells, ensuring the wax can stick to the hair and not the skin. It also helps prevent ingrown hairs post-wax. Test the wax temperature before applying sugar wax. Test its temperature by applying a small amount to the back of your hand. The wax should be warm, not hot, to prevent burns or skin irritation. Apply a thin layer of baby powder. Dusting a light layer of baby powder helps absorb moisture, creating a better surface for the wax to adhere to and reducing the risk of discomfort. Use numbing cream. Numbing creams are designed to ease the pain associated with waxing. Apply 30 minutes before waxing, ensuring a pain-free experience, especially in sensitive areas like the Brazilian region. Wax in the direction of hair growth. When applying sugar wax, always follow the natural direction of the hair growth. This minimizes discomfort and ensures more effective hair removal. Remove the wax in the opposite direction. When you pull the wax off, do it quickly and in the opposite direction of the hair growth to ensure smooth and effective removal. Post-waxing care. Soothe the skin. Immediately after waxing, apply a soothing lotion or aloe vera gel to calm the skin. This helps reduce redness and irritation. Avoid tight clothing. Wearing tight clothing after waxing can cause irritation and increase the risk of ingrown hairs. Opt for loose, breathable clothes to keep the skin comfortable. Away from hot showers or saunas. For at least 24 hours after waxing, avoid hot showers or saunas. Heat can irritate freshly waxed skin and lead to redness or bumps. Moisturize regularly. Hydrated skin is less likely to experience irritation or flakiness. Moisturizing daily after waxing helps maintain smooth skin and prevent discomfort. Exfoliate gently a few days after waxing. Exfoliating a few days after your waxing session helps prevent dead skin buildup and reduces the likelihood of ingrown hairs. Thanks for tuning in, folks. Don't forget to hit that like button if this video was helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more.